Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing DIY stepstones on the gravel here leading into our gate. So these are the little stones I got from Target. Let me go ahead and pull these out and then I'll show you guys what I got. So these are the stones I got from Target. One says free weeds, grow. I don't remember planting this. Never enough time, and then grow through what you go through, which is super cute. I got all of these at Target for about $1. As you can see, it's part of the spring collection. So if you're interested in any of these, they are in the spring collection. So go grab yours in the $5 and under section at Target. I did pick up 3 of these little guys. They're little plants. They grow in 7 days, and these I got for 74 cents. So let's get started, and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a professional, so please don't judge me, but I'm gonna make our little entryway look cute. So let's get started. I think this area would be a perfect area to put the stones. So I was thinking of shoveling a couple areas here and just placing them along to the door, or should I put some like here, there, there? I don't know, but Nicholas is here. He's gonna help me with his little shovel, and we're gonna get this going. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'll make another one here, 7. So I kind of already like have a little outline of every area I want to put the stones in. So what I want to do is actually put a little bit of soil. So let's go get some soil in a bucket, and we're gonna put it around, and then we're gonna just put the stones on top. Okay, I'm thinking of getting some of this dirt here and then adding water to it to liven it up. So let's get shoveling some of that dirt. So here's our bucket. We're gonna get some of the soil. I could have buttoned soil, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna use some of this dirt, and we are going to just liven it up by adding water.
Yeah.
So that you guys can see. We're gonna go add water to this,
yeah,
and then we'll be right back. We're adding water to the dirt, and we are going to mix it. Okay, so the dirt is moistened. I don't know if I'm doing anything right, so please don't judge me. I'm just doing what I think and what I want. Nicholas is helping me by getting the stones and placing them there so they're close to me. I'm going to fill up a circle of dirt, and I'm going to stick one in, and then I'll be doing that to the following areas that I picked out for this. So let me do one and show you guys what it's going to look like. Okay, so this is our first stone I put down. I put dirt so it could get stuck onto it, and I squished it down, and then so it doesn't become a muddy mess. I just put rocks into where the wet soil is. But the point of this is so that it can stick down, I believe. I hope I'm not doing anything wrong. Like I said, I'm not a professional, so don't judge me. Also, I don't want like a muddy mess if people step on them, so I'm covering up every little hole with a rock. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the remainder areas I have picked out, and then I'm going to show you guys the final result. So this is what they're looking like. They look super cute in the entryway. I'm sorry if the lighting is horrific, but let's go ahead and do one more, and I'll show you guys how I did them. First, I'm making like a little area. Then let's grab our dirt. And we're gonna squish it down. There's no wrong or right way to do this because I'm not a professional, right, babe? Okay, assistant, my rock. Okay, and then I'm gonna put that in where the soil is and squish down. Yeah, our rock. And then I'm just gonna grab some additional rocks.
Yeah, for our rock.
And place them all the way around.
For our big rock.
Just like that, and cover that up, and we're done. This looks really, really cute. Very easy and simple for you to do for your home. We have one more.
Yeah.
I don't know where to, like a fuller scoop. There you go. Like that, that's fine. And just put it down in the area that we selected. There you go. Now squish it down with the shovel. No, no, no. You don't want it too close to the other one, honey. So like, but you did a good job. So like, right there. Okay, let's put our rock. Nicholas, he put the soil down. Now go ahead and squish that down all the way with all your weight. Good job. And then let's just go ahead and grab some little rocks and put it all around the soil.
These are big rocks.
So like this.
These are big rocks that can't see.
And we're done. It's so simple, very cute, and it gives our little entryway a whole different look. I think I bought 7. Those are perfect, $7. Very simple, very easy. What do you think? You give this a thumbs up for easy little DIY?